If you're building software in your business with AI right now, and you don't have an engineering team, so that means you're vibe coding it, you need to know that there's a line between vibe coding and professional AI coding. Vibe coding is good. It has its purpose. But professional AI coding is needed whenever you want to bring an application to life. And that's a risk that the vibe coders are taking without receiving or seeking technical expertise in terms of architecture, database choices, infrastructure. I was speaking to a guy that vibe coded an app, and I said to him, "So what database are you using?" And he looked at me like, I asked him for the meaning of life. He looked at me, was like, looked at me empty. And then he logged into his portal on Vercel, and he went, it's Superbase. And I said, oh, okay, well, that's a typical vibe coding database. And vibe coding is good as long as it's for an internal tool. I think you've run dangers with vibe coding whenever you want to release an application into the wild. And more importantly, whenever you're handling a customer who's depending on your application, whose data is running through your application, there's a lot of risk involved if you're vibe coding something without any technical supervision, let's call it, because the risk is huge. And I'm hoping that all these people that are vibe coding applications, and there's thousands, that they are going to be responsible enough to seek technical expertise, to make sure at least to look over the application to say, hey, this application is actually built okay. Or this one needs to have some adjustments. You need to have some security added here. You need to change the authentication. You need to change the database, whatever it may be. But just get it looked at, just for peace of mind, if you are vibe coding something for production. And if you're already doing it properly, meaning that you're not vibe coding, you are AI coding, you're on the other side of the line, it means that you're doing proper documentation, you're doing product requirement documents, you're doing a bunch of specification work before any of the code is written, and then you pump that information into all the documentation, into AI, and AI, Claude Code, writes the code for you. That's a beautiful place to be. That's where we want to be at WeUC. And that's the point of this video. Talk about the line. I've got a video on my YouTube that I just created of the line between vibe coding and professional AI coding. Go to my YouTube channel to check it out, and I hope you like it.